Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make whipped coffee by hand with only 3 ingredients. Start out with 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder and put that in a small mixing bowl. Now watch me struggle to try to get all the coffee powder out of the bowl. In this clip, I'm still struggling to get all the coffee powder out of the bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. You can also use brown sugar if you want more flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water. Now mix these 3 ingredients together until you get soft peaks. At this point, I've been mixing for about 30 seconds and it's actually starting to get pretty light. It's also getting a little bit thicker, as you can see with the consistency. Now at this point I've been mixing for the past 1.5 minutes and it's getting really thick and it's also getting light. As you can see, there are now soft peaks that are forming, which means it's about ready. At this point I was satisfied with the consistency that it was at, so I just stopped mixing, but you can always keep going if you want it fluffier. Now get a small glass and fill it up 3/4 of the way full, leaving a little bit of space for the whipped coffee on the top. You can honestly use any type of milk for this, such as almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, or soy milk, but I just chose regular plain milk. Add your whipped coffee to the top and smooth it out. And there you go, that's how simple it is to make whipped coffee with just 3 ingredients. This recipe is good for only 1 glass, but you can definitely double the recipe just to make 2 glasses or more. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and please let me know what you want me to make next in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.